Okay, people. I'm going to be having an unboxing for you. I got this in the mail. I don't know when I got this in. I didn't order it. I didn't know that it was going to be ordered. And the newest shit got this in it. This is this. It's a big old box. And I need to back this up somehow. Straighten it up. So, there. Okay, so now you can see I got this big box. And, yeah, this box covers my face. Got it. I got this from the Coach. The Coach Service Inc. One Coach Way. Okay, yeah. So that's where I got it from. I got this cool little thing that has found Macy's, but I guess my mom went and bought it offline. She just bought a whole bunch of Coach stuff. I'm gonna back this off. I already knew that was gonna happen. But yeah. Okay. So let's just okay, I want to see my face. See that there was reflection. I haven't took it out. Well, yep. This is what it looks like. All this people out here at Bar Coach backpack, you never, ever wear it all the way to school. Well, everywhere. And good thing they brought me a backpack, and I think I'm going to buy me another one. Oh no, let's see what they got at Walmart. I got my first one from Burlington's. Yeah, I bought it from Burlington's. Now I got these. These are so awesome. Ooh, yeah. I'm trying to see if I can get something to go on the camera. Now they're all over my living room. Got it. Okay, yeah. And it looks nice. It has the Coach right there. I think those are eyes. I saw this in Macy's with great. So I was like, she wasn't gonna buy it, but she bought it. I'll get it. I'm making a video. Never mind, I'll just start the video over. You know what? No, I'm not. You never start unboxing the video over. Or do you? Well, I'm not about to find out. But it's actually pretty small. It looks really big on camera, but this is actually in person. It looks really small. I guess when you put stuff in it, it looks a little bit bigger. And then you can see my straps. Hey, I swear I'm going to be styling and profiling with these. They got like this gold stuff in it, which I think the insides of it is going to wear out. We'll find out, okay? Then it has this Coach button right here. What's that? Let me put it in the camera so you can see it. I need to go check out Justin Hero's channel. Okay? Yeah, let me go check him out, see what he's been doing for summer. Yeah. I think I'm going to take these off, but I kind of don't. And I'm going to put it right back in the box. But I'm going to put stuff in it because I'm going school shopping today. So, just put that on that. Oh my gosh. Heard about that Michael Jackson stuff slapping people? Oh my gosh. What is the world coming to? Okay. And so, Mom, I'm making a video. That's what I call her. See, we're from the country, so you know how that is. But we're like in between, so we're in the suburbs. We're like right next to the rural, right next to the city. Okay. So I really don't want to guess how color that is. Okay. Okay, and then what does this have? They covered up the thing that this, what's the name? It has coach on it and the little coach button. Oh, we got something in it. Oh, no. But it has pockets, though. And I guess they want to know what this coach asks. But worst thing is, I don't like styling the profile. And like, when people look at you, you're like, is this supposed to be a good thing or is it supposed to be a bad thing? So that's probably what they want to hate. Then it has the coach tag thingy. I'm not gonna take off that the little plastic that they put on that until I start school. I wonder if I should wear this on the first day of school. I don't know. You leave a comment below if school starts. School starts in like, I know it starts in August, but I think it's either on the 12th or 13th. So on August the 13th or the 12th of 2012, make sure that's the deadline. So tell me if I should, I don't even know what I don't know, take the sticker off or whatever. Do something, I don't know. I forgot what it was already. It's nice in here. And they got some big old one of those things that they usually find in your shoebox. Silica gel. I don't know. It's summer. I don't really care what things sound like. And they got two drink holders in there. And they got some pin holders like that. Oh, wow. I'm going to see what it looks like on me. It's probably going to look boring because there's nothing in it. And this is not. It's probably going to be an 8-minute or maybe just almost an 8-minute unboxing. You know, but I don't remember having these straps look like that. Well, y'all going to school, styling and profiling with my new Coach book bag. I wonder how many other people have this book bag. Doubt it. I don't go with Aeropostale because everybody wears Aeropostale, so you'll wear the same thing as somebody else. But nobody wears Abercrombie & Fitch in my school, except for me and this boy named Ruben. Bolinky. Then once, like, you want people, like, why don't you wear Abercrombie? But then when they do wear Abercrombie, I think if you don't want people wearing clothes, then just don't tell them what kind of clothes you wear.
You don't call that mess up off my hand right now.
Ma, now I gotta start the video all over. And I'll show you my new key in my next video.